I'm Niranjan here, and I'm a part of this eTech Prowess, and I can definitely say this has been an amazing experience for all the true and budding engineers who want to go to the core domain and have been waiting for quite some time in their lives, who've been moving forward and who want to go and excel in the career that they were looking for. I'll tell you honestly, as an engineering student, I've been trying really hard and really focused on trying to find a career which has been part of my same domain.
Hello guys, my name is Ratan and I've been taking hardware testing and validation course in eTech Prowess. So, after engineering it's very hard to get a job in core company, but by joining here I came to know that what is a computer, how it works, what are there in computer.
Hi, this is Srividya, and for the past 2 months I'm doing my validation and testing courses in eTech Prowess. And after completing engineering, as everyone knows, in the global world where everyone is struggling for jobs,
being an electronics and communication student, I really wish to have something more in the technical domain, and being in Bangalore, that is the IT hub of India, it's really difficult to find such kind of companies which encourage students and boost their career by giving a very good hands-on experience to all the students.
How we can recover the loss of our data and rest of all of the things.
While joining eTech Prowess, I thought, okay, whatever we know, we are going to study the same thing itself. But going day by day, I'm learning more, and I, at least now, if anyone asks me anything about the core technologies, I can even tell what is it, and I can give them an idea like this is what, so that you can learn.
The vast and knowledgeable staff out here are very friendly, and even our director, Mr. Srikanth sir, is very supportive of all the students. They even have communication classes and to boost the confidence of the students out
I
here.
surely tell that our staffs and everyone in lab, everywhere, all my team members, everyone helped me in everything. And if you join, I'll recommend you to join eTech Prowess for a very good career life.
It is when we get to see the hands-on experience, we actually get to feel the components in our hands, and the way they teach us and the way they help us to boost our confidence is very good, and it inculcates very good learning knowledge, and the learning curve is also very good at the same time out here. I would definitely recommend eTech Prowess to everyone out here. All the best.